Sarah Phillips from Gilbert White's House and Gardens. We're delighted to have launched the White's Eco Light Festival, a brand new light experience that has environmental consciousness at its core. And this is all thanks to funding from East Hampshire District Council's Rural Grant.
Hello, I'm Robert McAtter. I'm the EHDC portfolio holder for Regeneration and Prosperity, and it's a real pleasure to be standing in the Gilbert White House Garden tonight. This is a fantastic local museum that we've helped fund through our Grow Up Fund, designed to encourage local businesses, and what we've provided here is the funds to buy 2 power packs from local company powerQuad based in Borden, and the lights, so you can have this fantastic light display for 4 weeks going up before Christmas for the museum to use. They tell us there's going to be about 800 people come through this. It's a fantastic facility, and the lights just make it very attractive for children. It's a perfect example of a way the District Council money can help a local business improve their offering, get more residents to come and do it, and have it sustainable, because they can do it again next year and the year after because they've been able to buy the kits. So it's funded through the UK Grow Up Fund, designed to improve local rural businesses, and this is one of the most vibrant local businesses in a very rural part of East Hampshire in Selborne.
I'm very pleased to be here this evening on behalf of East Hampshire District Council to this wonderful exhibit that has been put on for Light Show. It's funded, partly we're funneling money down from central government towards the rural economy, and we believe that this will help Gilbert White Museum and the trustees here to show the fantastic history that is here and the exhibits that are within the house and outside, but also this time of year when it's dark, to bring people in to enjoy the light show that is being put on.
I've been a trustee of Gilbert White now for over 20 years, and I must say that all during that time we've had the most wonderful relationship with East Hampshire District Council, who have always been incredibly supportive. Things aren't easy for museums at the moment. There are a lot of them struggling to find money. And so when we can get money like this from East Hampshire District Council, it makes a huge difference. The gardens are looking fantastic, the lights are looking fantastic, and it's a way of getting more people in to come and see our museum.